Hello friends, in this video, I am going to tell you to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. Let's get started. Now I'm over here on CJ Dropshipping, and for those of you who don't know what's a dropshipping, it's a dropshipping account. It's a dropshipper that lets you dropship different items with different shipping. To get into it, you just need to register yourself here. Once you click over it, to register, you need to add some of your information here, like your email address and password. Then you have to confirm your password and click over Next. Here, you have to add your personal information, like username, first name, and last name, and then add your country code and then your phone number. Once you have done with all this, click over Confirm. Now you have to fill out this questionnaire and choose your platform. I am going with Shopify. Then select the number of orders. I will select the first option here. Now select the catalog of the products. I am going with this one. Once it is done, click over the Submit button from the bottom. The dashboard for CJ will be open. Now it's time to verify your email. Click over Verify Email from the upper right corner. And command here to send the verification code to email. Now, simply open up your email in another window, as I am doing. Open that particular email, copy the code, go back to the verification tab, and then paste it. And then click over to Verify. And then Confirm. Now your email is verified. Once it is done, it's time to take a look at the features and options on the CJ dashboard. On the right side, you will see the shipping methods from China to the USA. We have a bunch of different shipping methods, choose whichever one you want, depending on the fee. Then we have 515, 812, 812, as well as 715, 1015, and so on. Here you have a help center. If you need help, you can go for it. Then, if you look at the left side, you will get a menu with different options. From here, I am going to click on men's clothing. Then you will be led to this page, and from here you can filter your warehouses. Right now, I am going with all warehouses. And you can see clothing from all warehouses. You can also choose any of the filters that you want. I am going to click over to the China warehouse. And this will lead me to the page where you can also filter the product type. Then you can set the prices from minimum to maximum. Once it is done, click over the Confirm button. Here, I will let you know how to add the product that you want. Simply scroll down and select the product that you want, and then click over Connect button on the bottom left side. It will take a few moments to open properly. Here it is, just scroll down, and from here you can select the color of the shirt from the different given colors. Then, from here, you can select the size of the shirt you have chosen. Now add here the product quantity. Then have a look at the different prices, like the shipping fee, service fee, and total price. Then here is your estimated processing time, have a deep look at it. Here you will get other options like SKU, product attributes, material, and then lists. Then you just scroll down and see other options. If you look at the right side of the page, you will see a variety of options to use here. You just scroll down and have a look at it. Now let's look at the wholesale option in the upper bar. When you click over it, then have a look at the other options. If you have properly chosen the color and size and are satisfied with the prices, then click over and buy now. Now it is time to pre-order the inventory. If you are satisfied with all this, click over to pre-order. Now let's have a look at my CJ from the top. When it opens, you will be led to the CJ dashboard. Just scroll down and have a look at the different options given. So, guys, that was all about how to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify tutorial 2023. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.